Furrion Elysium RV. The Furrion Elysium RV redefines luxury on wheels, combining futuristic technology with opulent design. Measuring 45 feet long and packed with high-end features, this motorhome feels more like a high-tech penthouse than an RV. Inside, you'll find a spacious living area with leather seating, a full kitchen equipped with premium appliances, and a master bedroom with a king-sized bed. The bathroom rivals those in five-star hotels with a rainfall shower and smart temperature controls. What truly sets the Elysium apart, however, is its rooftop lounge, complete with a hot tub and a functional helipad designed to accommodate a Robinson R-22 helicopter. For those who want to travel in unparalleled style, the Furrion Elysium offers an experience unlike any other, blending the freedom of the road with the ultimate in luxury living. STX Ayla Edition 1. The STX Ayla Edition 1 is a masterpiece of innovation, designed for the discerning traveler seeking both comfort and off-road capability. This luxury expedition truck combines rugged engineering with refined interiors, making it perfect for exploring remote landscapes. It boasts an all-terrain chassis and heavy-duty suspension, allowing it to traverse the toughest environments with ease. Inside, the living area is a marvel of modern design, featuring a gourmet kitchen, a cozy lounge area, and a luxurious bedroom with high-end finishes. The bathroom is equipped with a water-saving shower and eco-friendly systems, perfect for off-grid living. Advanced technology, including solar panels and a smart energy management system, ensures sustainability without sacrificing convenience. Departure 1. The Departure 1 is a sleek and innovative camper designed for travelers who value efficiency without compromising on luxury. This compact motorhome features a lightweight yet durable build, making it easy to tow and maneuver. Despite its modest size, the Departure 1 maximizes every inch of space, offering a fully equipped kitchenette, a convertible dining and sleeping area, and a bathroom with a shower and toilet. Its modular design allows for customization, giving you the freedom to adapt the interior layout to suit your needs. Solar panels and a high-capacity battery system ensure you can explore off-grid destinations with ease. Ideal for solo adventurers or couples, the Departure 1 is the perfect blend of simplicity and sophistication, providing a comfortable home base for your next journey. Cube Series Camper. The Cube Series Camper is a compact yet highly functional camping solution that delivers style and versatility in a minimalist package. Its cube-like design is both aerodynamic and aesthetically pleasing, with lightweight materials that make it easy to tow with smaller vehicles. Inside, you'll find a surprisingly spacious interior, complete with a kitchenette, convertible sleeping arrangements, and ample storage for all your gear. The modular furniture allows you to customize the layout for lounging, sleeping, or dining, depending on your needs. The Cube Series camper is also equipped with solar panels and energy-efficient systems, making it ideal for eco-conscious adventurers. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or an extended road trip, this camper provides all the essentials in a sleek, modern design. The 2023 Mercedes Sprinter 2500 is a versatile and reliable van that has become a favorite for camper conversions and adventure enthusiasts. Known for its performance and adaptability, this van offers an impressive combination of luxury and practicality. The interior can be customized to suit a variety of needs, from a fully equipped camper with a kitchenette, bed, and storage to a mobile office or passenger vehicle. Its powerful engine, advanced safety features, and smooth handling make it a joy to drive, whether you're navigating city streets or remote mountain roads. With options for four-wheel drive and extended high-roof configurations, the Sprinter 2500 is perfect for those who crave adventure without sacrificing comfort. It's a blank canvas waiting to be transformed into the travel vehicle of your dreams. Starliner SL25. The Starliner SL25 is a revolutionary motorhome that takes luxury living on the road to new heights. Designed with an emphasis on space and comfort, this motorhome features a sleek, modern exterior and a thoughtfully designed interior. The living area is expansive, with plush seating, a dining table, and panoramic windows that bring the beauty of the outdoors inside. A fully equipped kitchen, a private master bedroom, and a luxurious bathroom with a walk-in shower ensure that every journey feels like a five-star experience. The SL25 is also equipped with cutting-edge technology, including a smart control system for lighting, climate, and entertainment. Its robust engine and smooth ride make it ideal for long-distance travel, while its stylish design ensures you always travel in elegance. Timbercraft Big Sky. The Timbercraft Big Sky is a stunning tiny home on wheels that offers a rustic yet modern aesthetic for those who value quality craftsmanship. Built on a robust trailer chassis, the Big Sky features a wood-clad exterior that gives it a charming, cabin-like appearance. Inside, the home is designed to feel warm and inviting, with exposed wood beams, shiplap walls, and high-end finishes throughout. The open floor plan includes a full kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a cozy living area with a built-in fireplace, and a loft bedroom with plenty of headroom. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious, featuring a shower, vanity, and composting toilet. With options for solar panels and off-grid capabilities, the Timbercraft Big Sky is perfect for those seeking a mobile lifestyle without giving up the comforts of a traditional home. STX3 Pop-Outs Motorhome. The STX3 Pop-Outs Motorhome takes spaciousness to the next level with its innovative pop-out design, which expands the living space at the touch of a button. This luxury motorhome is perfect for families or groups, offering a wide-open layout that includes a large living area, a fully equipped kitchen, and multiple sleeping quarters. The pop-out sections create additional room for dining, lounging, or entertaining, making it feel like a home rather than a vehicle. The STX is also packed with modern amenities, including smart home controls, a state-of-the-art entertainment system, and climate control for ultimate comfort. Built on a sturdy chassis with powerful performance capabilities, the STX3 Pop-Outs is designed for both long-haul road trips and extended stays at your favorite destination. Movable Roots JoJo Bean Series. The Movable Roots JoJo Bean Series is a charming and highly customizable tiny home that embodies the concept of modern mobile living. Designed with efficiency and style in mind, this tiny home is perfect for those looking to downsize without sacrificing comfort. Its open floor plan includes a multifunctional living area, a kitchenette with high-quality appliances, and a loft bedroom that maximizes space. The bathroom is equipped with a full shower and eco-friendly fixtures, making it ideal for off-grid living. With a variety of customization options, including exterior finishes, interior layouts, and additional features like solar panels, the JoJo Bean series can be tailored to fit your unique lifestyle. Whether you're looking for a permanent residence or a mobile retreat, this tiny home delivers big on functionality and charm. Skydancer Cabrio. The Skydancer Cabrio is a one-of-a-kind motorhome that brings the concept of open-air driving to the RV world. With its convertible roof, this motorhome allows you to experience the thrill of the open road like never before. The spacious interior is designed for both comfort and practicality, featuring a living area with panoramic windows, a compact yet fully functional kitchen, and a cozy sleeping area. The standout feature, of course, is the retractable roof over the driving area, which transforms your journey into an immersive outdoor experience. The Skydancer Cabrio is perfect for those who crave adventure and want to feel connected to the world around them, whether they're cruising along coastal highways or parked under the stars. It's the ultimate blend of freedom, innovation, and style.